Zach, love to hear how you're at Stedi thinking about success and then the evolution of agents.
Yeah, on the success standpoint, we were pretty astounded at the results. So we look at it on two dimensions, which is how often our customers using this, and almost a third of our customers are using it every week, which is a pretty shocking number. Now, it's shocking to us because when we looked at the number of people who were performing follow-up troubleshooting checks, it was in the single-digit percentage. So it was a very, very small number of people who were following the best practices, as I think everybody is probably not surprised by that. So yeah, almost a third. And then when you look at the resolution rate, it's again almost a third of the eligibility checks are successful. And so what that means in practice is that for every 10 instances that you look at, we're avoiding 3 phone calls, which is or 3 people being denied care and saying that they're going to have to pay out of pocket, and then all the headache that comes from trying to reconcile those things afterwards. We started small, but we like to start small and then expand from there. We built the agent in a pluggable, modular way so that it could easily be plugged into other parts of the platform. And so it is not an eligibility troubleshooting agent. It is an agent that has an eligibility troubleshooting tool that's available to it. Since then, we've launched payer selection. And so you might wonder, how hard is it to choose the right insurance company? But Blue Cross Blue Shield has something like 33 different entities that it represents. And then within that, there's a lot of further complexity in terms of it's a federal employee or versus a commercial versus Medicare or Medicare Advantage. And so we expanded into payer selection, and you can see this will just move further and further out into the platform to things like claims and rejections, denials, various sorts of resubmissions, and then what we're most excited about is what our customers build with this. So we have hundreds of companies who build AI-driven revenue cycle management workflows on top of our platform. And many of them have asked, Stedi is an API-driven platform, can we use the agent via API? And so there's an exploration there for us to figure out what exactly does invoking an agent from another agent look like. And these are hot topics today.